New 2018 Leatherman Products. We have new colorations for the Signal multi-tool, new colorations for the RAPTOR, a new nylon sheath with side pockets, the new Wave Plus, which includes replaceable wire cutters, the new Charge Plus TTI titanium construction, uses S30V blade and removable replaceable wire cutters. The new Tread Tempo watch multi-tool, the black and silver Wave, the new DAMASTEEL SKELETOOL, the Collector's Edition PST multi-tool, the new Tread LT multi-tool bracelet and the Charge AL prep kit, the new simple nylon sheath, and the Charge Plus, which includes the removable and replaceable wire cutters. This concludes the new lineup for Leatherman for 2018. Thanks for watching.